What's going on, cheeky buggers? So it's another day, another opportunity to work on the AU Falcon. Last weekend we went to the Wreckers and we managed to get a reinforcement bar, which you'll see here. The boys rocked up to pick apart. All right, there we have it. Cut that thing off. Probably took 15 minutes. So got that bar last weekend. Yesterday I went to a festival, so I probably looked pretty tired. Got home at 2 AM. But now it's Sunday and I have a little bit of motivation to work on this piece of shit. Yeah, you Falcon. So first thing I want to do is I want to use this new battery monitor I got from AliExpress. Absolutely hate how messy the garage is right now. I need to clean it out. We just renovated the floors inside, was outside, and there's just a lot of junk everywhere. So that's it there. So what I need to do is just, oh, it's a 10 mil. Why the hell is there foil on here? Fucking hell, this is so rounded out. There's a brand new battery as well. It's the only servicing the guy ever did on this car. Well, why is there foil? The hell? Oh, you meant to do negative first as well, by the way. That's alright. It's an AU Falcon. We don't play by the rules. This is what you gotta do is you get your negative, just chuck it in there if there's room. Why the hell is it so crusty? We'll have it facing that way. Cancel up. There's my other two cars. And device. That one. Call this AU XR6. Should pop up. There you go. All my cars are low. Incredible. Alright, cool. That's one thing down. On to the next. I've got some new wipers. I got these on the BMW. They seem to be okay. Let's chuck that there. It should be the same size as well, which is interesting. Oh, so these are so crusty. Just something like that. There's a little tab. How does this work? Oh, there you go. Ooh, that looks nice. So one side done. It's really cold today in Melbourne. It's like 14 degrees. At least the sun's out. So there's a little tab. Oh, this one's very crusty. These are long overdue. You can see there's a bit of a mark in the windscreen. Oh, these are so dry rotted. And this just goes. I'm having a brain fart. Brand new vehicle. So there we go. New wipers installed. Looks good. Next up, got the new tail light. Oh no, I need a screwdriver. So far, this car's been so easy to work on, which is always a plus, because there's a lot to work on. So this should just pop out, I think. Ready? Mine's coming out. The one at the back. Just take the inner line off. I think I do. It's only hand tight. Isn't that convenient? Finger games on point. Oh, there you go. Oh, this looks different. No, it doesn't. It's just different colors. And then just undo these. Bada bing, bada boom. That's two. So that one goes in there. Lock. Ah, incredible. This all lines up. Put in there. Boom. This. Couple spins. Let's talk to spec. I didn't talk to spec. Click. Alright. Gonna screw in there. That's alright. Don't need it. This one fuck off. Boom. Getting closer to that roadworthy. Another item ticked off the list. Tail light fixed. So next I want to fix this little rip in the middle. So I'm going to replace the whole strip. It's a bit hard to film, so I'll just do from this angle here. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow the tripod over. It's a $7,000 camera on a $20 tripod. It's pretty smart. Let's see if these even line up. Not wrong way. I think it's different. Fuck. Next on the to-do list is the right side. You can't really tell. The right side of the odometer's kind of faint. So I'm just gonna change the bulb behind there. Alright, so I'm gonna take the odometer, the cluster out now. The AC going, 'cause it's kind of hot in here. This should only take 5 minutes. Famous last words. Alright, I'm gonna use this thing. Little sucker thing. It's a bit dusty. I haven't seen anyone do this, but I mean, I guess it should work. I'll turn the car off just in case it thinks I'm doing something funky. So if I put this, now it's got a bit of a curve to it, the window, or the glass. No, that doesn't work. You fucking dog. Otherwise you can go from this thing. Oh, why does it have to be curved? How do I take this thing out? I have to go the long way, the scenic route. I think I can just pop this out. It's got two tabs on it. It's very simple. I thought it would be connected to something. Alright, so I just took this out. It's just got tabs on the side, left and right. Ignore my thumbs. They're pretty fucked up. So I just pop here and here, and then I'm going to put my hand behind here. My hand's back here. I need to give it a good push. Try to be really cautious not to break this. Oh, plenty of room. All of that. Fucking hell. So now, I'll just take it out. It's always nice when clips are easy to undo. Oh, besides this one. Come on, you fucking go. Oh, alright. So I'm just going to change, what is the right plug here? Grab my bulb that I stole. So it's got one of these little baby bulbs. chuck in. Should be an easy enough fix. Alright, I put the bulb in. Let's put it back. See if it actually made any difference. Where's the hole? It's always the hardest part. Come on. Click. And click and one more. Click. Alright, let's see if that made any difference. Shit. That made a difference. Way brighter. Doesn't really come across on camera well. You have to believe me, the right side is now brighter. Nice. I have another fun fact. When I was looking through the invoices, I noticed that they had a breathalyzer installed. That's why there's so many cables down here. I need to open that. So there was a breathalyzer installed at some point, which is kind of funny. Absolute Unit owned this previously. All right, next on the list is this mirror. The technique I chose is just to fucking pull the dog. This thing's probably gonna rip. Some nice mirror shards coming out. Safety squints. That's a recommended way to do it, I'm pretty sure. I want to clean that out a little bit. Hope it doesn't rain. It's a bit cleaner. This one, I need to take the inner part out. Oh, it's actually in there, isn't it? So this one, you see, has the inner shell still. But this one, the whole thing came out. So I just need to take this shell out. Need my pliers. Might need a flathead for this, actually. Oh, don't want to lose that pin. The sun's really coming out now. So I'll try pry this out. Oh, shit. Guess that worked. So I just pried it. Oh, it's bright. I just pried it through here. Bought a new mic as well. I've got a DJI Mini because the other one's way too big. I kept flopping around. This one, you don't really notice it. Quality of life upgrades. That's why I bought an AU Falcon. Balance it out. Alright, so I'm going to give the JZX some love today. Got some new carbon fiber power window covers, I guess. So I'm going to place in this because it's gone a bit green. Doesn't look very fresh. Bit of fade in there. It's incredible how easy it is. Literally just put this in here and pry it open, just like that. Then you pull it back towards you, and that's out. Just one clip and then a couple screws, I think. So that just has a little tab there. 1, 2, 3 screws. Easy as that. Takes 20 seconds. So here's the old, here's the new. You can see the color difference. It's like grey versus green. All done. That literally took 2 minutes. Not even. You could probably do it under a minute. It's crazy how easy it was. Now I'll do the other side. This one's even more of a difference. This one's like proper cooked. All the clear coat's like coming off. Again, you just pry that up, slip it back, and it's out. So easy. And there's the passenger side in. So good. This car's OEM plus, so like everything is just a bit better than OEM. The wheels, the kit's OEM roof wing. This is the best part about my car. Have a suss at this. I don't know if it's gonna get bright enough. I'm struggling a bit. I'll do a separate video on this car one day. I should have made a lot of videos on this car because I've put a lot of time and money into it. But that's what the AU Falcon's for. Want to redo it on that car. Just not spending as much money.